Hey, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As always, it is Nick here, back with your daily crypto news and analysis. And today we are going to be talking about the truth behind the mysterious $10 XRP prediction. Now, for the longest time, and I completely understand where everyone is coming from, there has been a ton of frustration around XRP. In fact, most people don't even want to touch XRP. They don't want to hold XRP. But when we look at the XRP community, it has been laughed at many, many times in the past. And for the last couple of years, we have been the biggest laughing stock of the entire industry because of the lawsuit. A lot of people were saying, like, why are you even still holding XRP? It's going to go to zero because of the lawsuit, this, that. Like, I remember December of 2020 specifically because I had an argument with somebody on Twitter where they were saying that XRP was going down to like 2 cents when it was at like 20 cents. And I was buying. I even said on Twitter, like, we have this opportunity in front of us where it's like one of the biggest shakeouts, and everyone is so fearful. This is also why a lot of the retail sector will continue to miss out on great opportunities. But today, as we do look at XRP, although we are still 2 years deep in this lawsuit, and there's been so much FUD and so much hate, and we've seen these attacks from inside of the industry as well on XRP and on what Ripple's doing with XRP. We are still sitting at number 6 with 19 almost $0.2 billion worth of market cap during a bear market. It is still one of the most traded tokens in this space. Its community continues to grow, and also adoption continues to grow around XRP. Yet today we still see a big, well, it's never going to go over $1 or over, its all-time high. It's never going to achieve a new all-time high. It's never going to go here. It's never going to go. Like, we keep seeing these arguments. But the truth of the matter is what really happened during the bull run of 2021? What was really going on? Let's take a dive into a few things. Let's address a few charts first off. So mainly, the reason why a lot of people look at the XRP community and kind of laugh is, we see charts like this. This chart is not, too unrealistic at all. In fact, I think that we could definitely see $6 plus for XRP. I think that $10 to $15 is going to be a possibility as well. We will talk about that. But we do see XRP wave trend and green dot. The wave trend shows trend reversal on the monthly time frame when it prints the green dots. The bullish cross is in preparation, and the GD, aka the green dot, will be printed anytime soon. Historical data is presenting an excellent buying opportunity when the cross happens. Now, a lot of people have been addressing if we can go back down to like 20 cents, 25 cents. And yes, that is a possibility depending on how deep Bitcoin does come back down. It will be a great buying opportunity then. I don't know if today's a great buying opportunity, maybe an average area to buy in, sure. But I see a lot of these charts and a lot of people just think like, oh, it's just a joke. It's like, whatever, it's never going to happen, this, that. And even recently, I seen a friend of mine actually, Bobby 5326 post over on Twitter. He's talking about this bull flag target upper trend. This is for XRP. He has small W wave target, aka the dollar figure amount, but then he also has the big wave a target, which is $27. And a lot of people are like, you're losing credibility by thinking XRP can even hit a $600 billion market cap anytime soon. Okay, let's address this real quick. A $600 billion market cap. Let's go over to CoinMarketCap real quick, and let's address a few things. Ethereum today still sits at $200 billion in market cap nearly. Bitcoin sitting at nearly $500 billion in market cap. Dogecoin still has $10.6 billion in market cap. Shiba Inu still has $6.5 billion in market cap. These two tokens, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, at the all-time highs had over well over, I should say, $140+ billion in market cap. Ethereum had a market cap of near $50 billion. Bitcoin hit a $1 trillion market cap. These targets, these prices, all of the market cap around this entire industry, it was just the beginning when we seen them top out at $3 trillion for the global crypto market cap in November of 2021. It was showing you a picture on what's to come. We added $1 trillion in one singular quarter to the market cap. So to think that $600 billion for XRP, which has utility, which has a strong use case, which has an ecosystem and a community that continues to grow, and you think that it can't hit that market cap anytime soon, is just crazy to me. But also, a lot of these charts, like these are charts that are ideas. I always say, whenever you look at technical analysis in this market, you can't take it fully serious. You can't look at it and say, okay, well, this is a guarantee. It's 100% going to happen. No, you can't look at it like that. But I see a lot of people looking at the $10 plus target for XRP and just losing hope on this because we have seen the $10 to $13 to $15 to $20, XRP argument posted multiple times in the past. For example, from Blockchain Backer, which I think is an incredible individual, we've seen, a $10 price here, another $10 to $13 price here, and these are fully explained, by the way, with great ideas behind them. But these are from over a year ago. 108,000 views, 146,000 views. So a lot of people were, betting on XRP going to $10, but we didn't see that. So again, frustration is there. But remember, all of these price predictions are just price predictions. And it's not just Blockchain Backer. Trust me, go to the search bar right now and type in XRP $10. You'll see it everywhere because individuals have been waiting for $10 to, be printed for XRP for a very long time. For an example, going all the way back to April of 2020, we see Incredible Crypto. He was actually calling for a $20 to $30 XRP. We do see, please understand the nature of this market is such that exponential gains are not fanciful ideas, but reality. XRP ran over 900,000% in the last run. I'm not calling for $589, not 1,000, not 10,000. I am calling for a realistic, in my opinion, 20 to 30,000% gain at $20 to $30. And again, the market cap argument comes into play from Income Sharks. At $10, XRP would have a market cap of $440 billion. This currently exceeds more than every single crypto combined. Crypto would have to become at least a $50 trillion market. It's just not logical or feasible currently. They still have 50% of their supply to be released. And we do see, come on, dude, not you too. The total market cap of this space was $1 million once, and it nearly hit $1 trillion on the last run. XRP made up 30% of the total market cap at one point, has been a top 3 coin for 6 years, continues to be in the top 10, and ran over 900,000% in the last run. $10 is a 30,000% gain from current levels. Now again, a $440 billion market cap for XRP would have accounted for a $50 trillion market cap. Okay, interesting. Because when we go over to the historical snapshots from 2021, well, we see Ethereum hitting a $546 billion market cap. Binance Coin, a $108.5 billion market cap. We also see Bitcoin at a near $1.2 trillion market cap. But the market cap of crypto was only at $3 trillion. This defeats the idea that we would need to have such a large market cap for crypto for something like XRP to be hitting a market cap of, we'll say, $500 billion. Now also, the big argument in the room is, well, what happens after the lawsuit? Will the price skyrocket to $10? Will it skyrocket to here, there, whatever? Because this lawsuit is getting close to being over. We're getting close to being, away from this scrutiny of the SEC, closing that door, and finally moving forward. But when does this happen? We have no idea. But the Hinman documents are definitely a big, crucial key in this case, and we are waiting for it. Because then we see XRP be completely unleashed. When we take a look back in time, going back onto CoinMarketCap, I know at this time you see that it was titled Ripple instead of XRP, but during this time, XRP was trading at about $2.79, and it was the number 2 token. It was actually above Ethereum. Here's also another screenshot where we had $120 billion in market cap, and we were sitting at about $3.10, still over Ethereum, and also very close to Bitcoin in market cap as well. So let's take a look at this, right? If XRP hit these market cap capitalization during 2017-2018's run with basically no, and I mean like no real partnerships, nothing fully there. There was a lot of speculation during 2017-2018. Today we know that there's a ton of things happening behind the scenes with XRP. We know that there's a large product offering. We know that the XRP ecosystem has been expanding rapidly. We know the community is very strong. So why wouldn't XRP have an incredible run? It's very simple, right? When you go and look at the chart, XRP, I've said this many times on this channel, XRP was already on a major run. It was up 726%, right? We were up 726%, and we were getting ready to continue to the breakout, but here's the lawsuit. Came at the perfect time. Now, mind you, here is Ethereum. Okay, this lawsuit came at December 21st, 2020. This on the weekly chart, by the way. Here is December 1st, 2020 for Ethereum. Do you see a difference here? I mean, Ethereum just continued to skyrocket up another 700% from that area. Okay? Now, if we go to December 21st, 2020, here's basically where XRP was. Could you imagine if we did a 700% run up from that just bottom candle there? I mean, a 700% run up would have been near the all-time high. In fact, it would have been almost exactly at the all-time high for XRP. Now, what did Ethereum do after this? It continued to break out a little bit. It went to about $4,893. But what I actually look at and what I really find interesting is the percentage gain from the previous all-time high on XRP, or on Ethereum, sorry. It was about 230, near 4% exact on Ethereum. Now, I'm not saying that we have to go off of this exactly, but a 234% run up on XRP. I can't get it to, let me see if I could zoom in real quick. So a 234%, I'm going to try my best to get it, there we go, would have been like a $12 XRP. Okay? This would have been a total gain off of the March of 2020 lows to the top here. It would have been about a 12,000% run up. Now, I think that is not too crazy. I mean, listen, when you go back to 2017, 2018, and you go to the percentage run up here, this was like an 88,000% run up. Diminished gains are a reality in this space. You can't hope and can't pray for the same exact percentage run because it's just not going to do that. But I do believe that price action was stifled greatly. I do believe that we could have seen a significant run up on XRP to $10 to $12. I think that we were getting close to having that significant breakout point here. I mean, could we have did a 700% run up off of the November high? 100%. This would have been about a $6.70 XRP, and we could have probably continued to break out a little bit more. Anything was possible during this time. But this area here is the most interesting part of XRP's price action because we were getting that nice breakout point, but then all of a sudden, boom, the SEC comes in, crashes XRP, everyone turns bearish on XRP, gets delisted from all major exchanges basically. Nobody could really buy it. You had to go through loopholes and buy it on Uphold and on other exchanges. I mean, it was a nightmare. It was a complete nightmare to be an XRP holder during this time. But for Ethereum holders, look at the different story, right? You had a significant different story here. I mean, from the bottom of March of 2020 to the topping point on Ethereum, this thing did about a 55x return. If XRP did a 55x return off of those lows, a 58x return would have still been about a $6 XRP. We didn't even need to go to, $10 on XRP. I think everyone would have welcomed in a $6 XRP. It's nearly almost a 2x from its previous all-time high. I would have welcomed in a $6 XRP. And even at a $6 XRP, it still would have been a decent market cap area that could have been very well a topping situation. When we go back to a $6 XRP, it's about a $305.7 billion market cap. And this is not too crazy. I actually think that a $6 XRP would have been perfect. I think that would have been the perfect scenario. Even if you go off of the $120 billion market cap area from the past 2017-2018 all-time high, we would have had about a $2.36 XRP. We didn't really get that. I think that we got like $1.96 or something like that. And this is basically with us being delisted from major exchanges and the FUD around XRP being at all-time highs. But I always focus on the bigger picture, and I've always said that XRP was nearing that breakout point before the SEC came in and completely slaughtered our dreams. When we look at Ethereum, when we look at what Ethereum has done, and when we go back in time and look at the market cap, I'm going to round it to $550 billion, but at that market cap, XRP would have been at $10.79. It's not too unrealistic to think that XRP could have hit this market cap potential when in history, we already flipped Ethereum multiple times. We trailed above Ethereum multiple times. Even if XRP did hit, we'll say figuratively, the $12 area, it would have been about a $611.4 billion market cap. And this would have been realistic considering the fact that in the past, XRP has traded a little bit over Ethereum's market cap. We would have had a little bit more of a market cap than Ethereum. But again, a lot of people forget history. A lot of people forget that, at some point in time, XRP did have a bigger market cap than Ethereum. It did outperform Ethereum. It did outperform most of the market. And it is still today one of the most popular and one of the largest cryptocurrencies in this space. History doesn't always repeat, but it definitely does rhyme. And in my opinion, XRP was on the way to rhyme history before the SEC completely killed any momentum that it did have. So, with that being said, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys definitely have a like, subscribe, turn notifications on. If you guys have more free content, you guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord down in the description below. So it's up to you all. Have a beautiful day, beautiful night, wherever you guys are in this beautiful world. This has been Nick. Peace out, guys.